This LG panel shows half bar. What is the most likely root cause? Here are tips on what to do when there's no visible damage like corrosion. The source PCBs had accumulated dust on them, but were clean. Clean now, but it seems damage is already done. Panel is designed such that the leftmost COF initiates video signals, which it relays to the next one, then that one to the next one, and so on. But since the bar starts at the third COF, we first check its fob bond. The appearance of the display, though, might tempt you to blindly conclude that a COF is bad. But going by troubleshooting principles, we start with the easiest check of the most likely cause. Please note 2 points on a COF that cause bars that span the full width of the COF's output signals to glass. To check if the fob bond of the third COF is okay, we apply some pressure to it using a fingertip. Some cases may require the use of a hot soldering iron, as shown. But this must be done with utmost care, so that the bit makes no contact with conductive parts of the PCB. As pressure is applied, you see a corresponding change in the appearance of the bar. This indicates the bond is compromised and may need a rework. Power off. It does seem the COF is no longer firmly attached. So, we detach and manually bond it to see if that solves the problem. Manual bonding completed. It's worth stating that while detaching, the driver came off too easily, adding to the confidence that the weak bond was indeed the root cause. Bar is gone, but wait to see how to be sure that the bond at the chip isn't also weak. Give the COF several gentle, slight push. If no bar flashes, the driver is still in perfect condition. It's all good.